Environmental ethics and its types. Environmental ethics. It is a branch of philosophy examining the moral and ethical implications of human interactions with the environment. Its types include 1. Anthropocentrism. It places human beings at the center of moral consideration, considering human interests and well-being as the primary concern. It views nature as a resource to be used for human benefit, and prioritizes human needs over the needs of other species or ecosystems. Example, a company that prioritizes economic growth and profit over environmental conservation, leading to the pollution of air and water resources. 2. Biocentrism. It recognizes the inherent value and rights of all living organisms. It emphasizes the interconnectedness and interdependence of all species and ecosystems, advocating for the protection and preservation of biodiversity. Example, a conservation organization working to protect endangered species and their habitats, recognizing the intrinsic value of each species and their contribution to the ecosystem. 3. Ecocentrism. It places equal value on all components of the ecosystem, including non-living elements such as rivers, mountains, and ecosystems as a whole. It emphasizes the importance of maintaining the integrity and functioning of ecosystems, rather than focusing solely on individual species or human interests. Example, a community that prioritizes the preservation of a forest ecosystem, recognizing its importance in regulating climate, providing clean air and water, and supporting diverse wildlife. 4. Deep ecology. It goes beyond the recognition of the intrinsic value of all living beings and emphasizes the spiritual and philosophical connection between humans and nature. It advocates for a radical shift in human attitudes and behaviors towards nature, promoting a more harmonious and sustainable relationship. Example, a group of individuals practicing sustainable living, adopting a minimalist lifestyle, and actively engaging in environmental activism to promote ecological balance. 5. Ecofeminism. It explores the intersection of gender and environmental issues. It highlights the parallels between the oppression and exploitation of women and the exploitation of nature, advocating for social and environmental justice. Example, a movement that addresses the disproportionate impact of environmental degradation on marginalized communities, particularly women, and works towards empowering women in environmental decision-making processes. In conclusion, these different types of environmental ethics reflect diverse perspectives on the relationship between humans and the environment. While some prioritize human interests, others emphasize the intrinsic value of all living beings, or the interconnectedness of ecosystems. Understanding and considering these various ethical frameworks can help guide decision-making and actions towards a more sustainable and balanced coexistence with nature.